Hi guys, I'm Irene. My science experiment is called lava bubble. First, I asked, can I make bubbles with baking soda and vinegar? I watched this experiment on YouTube. A lady can put baking soda in the cup and she chose color and put it in the cup and pour the vinegar in the cup when the bubbles were made in the cup. So here is what I did. First, get ready plastic cup, baking soda, and food coloring, and vinegar and water. First, put baking soda in the cup. And pour the water in the cup. And put in the food coloring in the cup. Number 4, put vinegar in the cup. And it's worked. It is because the baking soda is base and vinegar is acid, and two substances meet together when carbon dioxide is happens and bubbles were made. Thank you for listening to my science experiment.